Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your umbrella coverage with Chubb, full guide step by step clearly. To update your umbrella coverage with Chubb, begin by assessing your current policy. Review your existing umbrella coverage limits and any specific needs you may have. Gather relevant information, such as your current policy number, personal details, and any changes in your circumstances. Visit the Chubb website and log into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Policies section to view your current umbrella coverage. Click on the option to update or modify your policy. Carefully review the coverage options available to ensure they meet your current needs. Select the new coverage limits you wish to apply. Provide any necessary documentation or information requested by Chubb. Be sure to review any changes in premium costs associated with your updated coverage. After making your selections, submit your policy update for processing. You will receive a confirmation email once your request has been processed. If you have any questions or require assistance during the process, contact Chubb's customer service. They can guide you through the updates or clarify any details you might need. Keep a copy of your updated policy for your records. Finally, monitor your coverage periodically to ensure it continues to meet your needs over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.